A moment for this glow. Blue syrup. I've had it for more than 5 years. 2-finger rule thing with 95% and became more consistent. A moment for this glow. A moment for this glow. Oh my god. I'm so loving this. I wish I could stay here forever and just admire this, like admire all this. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I'm all dressed. I'm about to go to work. I'm on double shift, evening and night. I'm on night, but I cannot get enough of this glow, baby. Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, this is like around past 3 a.m. I'm so tired. I don't think I'll be sleeping anytime soon. Yeah, we had an orthopedic surgery today, Ori, and the patient is actually in pain, so I am up. The other nurse has exams, so she has been tired, and also I just told her to go sleep because even without anything to do or we being less busy, I don't think I'll be able to sleep. I hardly sleep anytime I'm at work. I hardly get to sleep. I don't know, it's just like that. My brain just knows that I'm not at home, so I am not going to sleep. And it's so annoying actually. I want to be able to sleep at least a little bit to get. But no, I can't. It's so annoying. Strained my hand or strained my hand. I don't know, this place is really hurtful. I don't feel it when I touch it like this on this table. I feel pain whenever I am in some certain positions. Just so annoying. Hi guys, good afternoon. I left this place yesterday. I spoke to you guys yesterday. Not yesterday, like midnight. Yeah, I spoke to you guys midnight. And I left this morning. I went home, take my bath, I slept off, guys. I'm so tired. And I came late. Actually, I was supposed to resume by 2, not really late, but I came past 2. And I'm here now. I'm going to be here till all things being equal this night, but depends, or tomorrow morning. I don't know, I am so tired. I ate noodles before coming, but I think I want to eat something or maybe take something. I feel so tired, really. But not complaining. I wish this thing had waited a little bit longer before it rains for me to get home first, because it's going to be so nice. I just lie on my bed. I've seen this series I started watching on Netflix. I don't know the name, I can't remember the name. I don't think I focused on the name. I just saw the thumbnail of the movie and I liked it and I started watching it because it has recently added to it, and I saw that it's been so I can still binge watch it. So I've been binge watching it yesterday and I hope to finish it today when I get home. So the rain should have just waited a little bit longer for me to get home and just lay on my bed, cover up, feel warm, everywhere is dark, watching Netflix. That would have been better. But the not on night duty is not even going to come early because of the rain. Because if I was on night duty, I'm not going to come early because you don't expect me to enter inside the rain. I'm just going back home now. It is so windy. Oh my god. So windy. So cold. Everywhere is quiet. I just pray I get bike early and the bike does not do rubbish, because bike men now would use this opportunity to extort from us. Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, I think last time we spoke I was at work and it was raining. Yeah, it was raining. Last time we spoke I was at work, it was raining. I'm on evening duty. I should go earlier than usual because I want to have enough time to do our roster. Yes, I am kind of the person in charge of the roster now because my seniors at work are not available. So now I am the next person in line to be available to do the roster. So yeah, I need to find something to eat. I've been up since, but I watched the new episode of Blossom and the new episode of Stardust Sisters, the reality TV show of Stardust Sisters. So that's why I like this. I'm going to eat now and take my bath and get ready. I'll see you when I am getting ready because I have this my skincare products that I've been using that really works for me actually, that I want to review. So yeah, see you guys later.
I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we...
I'm back. Before I get into this, I just want to say I don't know anything about skincare, but I actually started using skincare fully. I used it one time when I was in school, then I stopped. Then now I started using it. Yeah, so the first one is this dark spots correcting glow serum. I don't know. It's actually nice. It said it has activated niacinamide, helps correct dark spots, brighten skin, and plant-derived squalene to lock in moisture for glowing skin all day. That's 5% niacinamide. My skin has been horrible. Yeah, I had a lot of dark spots and all, but recently I started using it and everything, to be honest, it has reduced, really reduced. This one here was my fault actually. There was a pimple, or maybe I feel there was a pimple inside the skin, so I was trying to press it out and left this mark. It was darker initially, but now it's fading away, which is a good thing, and I should actually hurry because I'm kind of late to work, so pardon me if I'm not looking directly to the camera. I have a mirror here and I really have to rush. Yeah, so I'm going with this vitamin C serum. I don't know, I feel because this doesn't have vitamin C, I just got it. I don't know why, but it's actually been working for me. It has been doing what I wanted to do. Then I noticed all the time I had dark cycles, like really bad dark cycles. They were so obvious, and I actually did not know what to use for it. So I got this Kineo one time like that. I was using, I don't even know why, but I was using it sharp. Then I just thought to myself, let me try this to see if this is going to work for my dark cycles. I don't know if it did, but it has reduced. I don't know if it is the one excuse me, I don't know if it is the one that is working for me, but dark cycles has actually reduced, like really reduced. So I just going in. So I just let it sit in. So love of my life. So it has settled into my skin. Just going to do it. I'm just trying a simple moisturizer.
To set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
I so love this neck piece. I've had it for more than 5 years now. I'm not exaggerating. I bought it with my friends, and since then I've loved it. She misplaced hers, and anytime I go to her place and she says she'll be like, I should give it to her, I'm like, nah, we bought it together, baby. I can't give you. My lip gloss is almost finished. So I have this one, but this one is so thick, and I don't like it. I like the thickness of this. It is normal, but this is just so thick. This is almost finished, and I don't think I would go to where I can get. I'm not going to keep it like this. I don't think I can go to where I can get to buy another one anytime soon. SPF. See, at finger rule thing with sunscreen. I can't do it. I don't know. I just feel I won't get enough. So now I'm going into the sun. I don't.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Hi guys, so I've been at work since and I've been busy kind of doing normal things, sure. And I did tests. I did malaria and I did typhoid tests and they came out positive. I've been feeling headache for a while now, almost 2 weeks if I'm not mistaken here. So I decided to do the tests and they both came out positive. I'm just getting my injections ready. I'll probably just inject myself or take it to the other nurse on duty so she can inject me. So if you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and comment nice things. Please leave a comment. Let me know how you want it to be. Let me know give me recommendations of what you want me to do and how you think I can be better. Assuming I am just coming up and I want to be better. So please share my videos to your friends, family, lovers, enemies. I'm joking, but please. Yeah, I have 3 injections to collect and